based on a poll that I did on my Instagram. Follow your girl on IG at yolande_ntsele, or just search DIY Yolande. So I on my IG, and you guys were interested in seeing me decorate for Christmas. I'll be honest with you, I was not intending on creating this video. As I the last video was to do a cement series until the end, until my last video for 2019. But took the poll and you guys seemed very interested. A Decorate With Me Christmas editions. Enjoy this video. These I got at China Mall. This I got from Mr. Price. It's 30 Rand. These I got from China Mall. These are from At Home. Coasters are from Mr. Price Home. These are from At Home. This is from Mr. Price Home. This I got it in some Chinese shop. I just don't know. I don't remember where. Oh, it was in Durban on West Street. So because we sit and watch TV here, I'm going to make the setup very simple so that it does not block our view to the TV. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to cut this here. That it gives an illusion of an elongated centerpiece. Since I've cut these, I'm now going to crisscross them like this. So these came like this, and I'm going to bend. Because the wire is very flexible. See, it's out. Okay, so this is my dining room table, custom made. It's a 6-seater. There's a couch there only because we haven't bought chairs for it, bought or made chairs. But I think I'm actually gonna buy chairs. There's these chairs that I actually want for this, because the whole theme for the house is rustic. So yeah, I'm going to find chairs for them. I digress. Okay, back to today. I'm going to decorate this table because we will be using it for Christmas lunch. We will be getting temporal chairs, and this is the decor that I will be using. So I bought these 6 placemats, and I bought them from Mr. Price, and these were 19.99 each. So this tray is from Mr. Price Home, and this is also from Mr. Price Home. So I'll just fold it into here so that it fits snugly. With these, I just bought these candles and then I just wrapped twine around them. So This is also a plain candle. Instead of hot gluing, I am just going to wrap this around here. Use this one there. It looks cute, if I should say so myself. Grab your napkin and fold it to a triangle. Ensure it is a neat 3-side triangle. Then you grab your cutlery and you center it onto the peak of the triangle. You fold the bottom of your napkin. Ensure the cutlery is centered. You fold the bottom up. Then you fold the left side of the napkin like this. Then the right, and then you tuck it in completely into the back of your napkin. Then you add any leaf or flower that goes with your color scheme. And just like that, you've impressed your in-laws, your friends, and your family. Oh, wait a minute. You've gotten this far in the video and you haven't subscribed? Why? Click that subscribe button. Click it. And just like that, you're part of the DIY family. This is the Christmas tree. I got it at Game. It was 3,999. What? I'll never buy a $4,000 tree. I'm going to be adding some tinsel to just give the tree some fullness because it's skinny right now. So I just want to make it look a little bit more full. So let's do it. And these are some of the decor stuff that I'm going to be using. Others I'm going to be DIYing. Yeah, so let's start decorating. I'm adding tinsel in spaces where I'm seeing gaps in my tree so that it looks like it's got some life, because now I'm adding battery operated fairy lights because I ain't gonna let no Christmas fever rake up my electricity bill. I got these at Bargain Basket. They are battery operated. You buy the battery separate from the fairy lights. Now I'm just going to place these fairy lights evenly in a circular motion throughout the tree. Just keep in mind, I'm only decorating the front side of the tree because honestly, no one's going to be looking at the tree at the back, you know? So here's a hack there for you, darling. Just decorate the front side or the sides where people will be able to see. That way you'll save on buying decoration coin, you know? I got you. So I got this beautiful piece, ribbon piece that's got white lace on it. I got 2 meters and they were 25 Rand at China Mall. And I'm going to be placing it like this on the tree so that it gives the tree an illusion that it's longer than it really is. That's a creative tip right there. got at Mr. Price, and they were marked. They were marked down. They were 10 rand. When placing your decorative Christmas items, ensure you place them on side by side, not too close to each other. But if you place one at the top and the other one that's matching it at the bottom, it gives the tree the illusion that it's not straight. So if you're putting the same looking ornaments side by side, this gives a more orderly and cohesive look and feel to your tree. So this is a cutout from the box that I got the tree, and I just cut out the letter J. I'm centering joy because it is the centerpiece of my Christmas tree. Had to do a quick spray paint as I wanted some white Christmas ornaments, and I have not been finding them on the shelves. That's my star. Love it, guys. This is my Christmas decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with me down below in the comments which is your favorite decor piece that I made. Was it the dining room table, was it the coffee table, or was it the simple Christmas tree? And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am yolande_ntsele. See you next year. Peace.